In today's episode, I'm quickly gonna show you how to see posts you've liked on Instagram. Stick with me till the end and let's get right into it. Now, like any other social media platform, Instagram also captures every activity that you have done on your account of Instagram. So it has also a separate section where they have stored all of your liked posts. To view it, simply head over to your profile section on the bottom right, and from your profile section, tap on the three lines on the top right and head over to your activity. From this page, you can view all of your recent activity, which may be the time you spent on this application, your interactions, your deleted posts, and many more. To see your liked videos or liked posts, you can tap on interactions right here and then simply choose the like option. By doing that, you can see all of the posts, whether it be videos or photos, that you liked all in one place. Now, if you have tons of videos that you've liked and you want to see a particular post that you liked and that post may be old, what you can do is tap on this newest to old and it's gonna give you a sort option where you can now choose from oldest to new and tap on apply. This way it's gonna show you your oldest liked posts. So that's how exactly you can see your liked posts on your Instagram account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.